You fat bitch.
That's what I'm talking about, Billy Blanks.
Man, what the hell you in here doing sweating like a piece of meatloaf?
Man, shut up, fool. I'm getting ready for the day, baby. What you think, man? Come on.
I think my head's hurting. You got the whole damn house rumbling. Got me thinking about an earthquake. You in here making a herbquake.
Man, shut up, man. Look, I know you know what today is, man. Hey, it might not hurt for you to get in a few reps, you know? I already put up 15 of them.
15?
Yep.
Sound to me like you miscalculating the situation. See, you breaking into my beauty sleep.
Beauty sleep? Man, sleep that long. It's called diabetic coma. Hey, but look, check this out. You know I stopped by Pressy Perm on the way home last night, right?
Okay,
Get them geared up, feel that right there?
Yeah, I see you got it all dry clean,
What?
looking fresh.
Hey, that's that Cholo press right there, and they use starch, homie.
Oh, I like that.
Hey,
That's
step
nice.
ahead of the game, bro.
What you need
No.
to do is one step into the tub, because you over here smelling like a burnt biscuit.
Hey, man, you know I ain't had no breakfast yet, bro.
Hey, I'm just telling
Don't
you,
talk
dog.
about no business.
Hey, I'm just keeping it real.
Make
But
me
hey,
hungry.
I know one thing though. We better win this 1,500 today, or else we gonna be out on the street, biscuit boy.